Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on Supreme Profit Systems Review 2024. And we're going to go over Supreme Profit Systems and whether or not this is a good system for you to get started with. So if you're looking for a review on this program to see more information, this is a great video, and this is going to answer everything for you. So thank you so much for being on this Supreme Profit Systems Review. So we're going to go through this, and I'm going to share with you what's good about this program, what's bad about this program, and the truth about this program, okay? So here is the sign-up page right here. It has a 48-hour free upgrade status, and here is the headline. Here is the video. You can click right here, and then we have choose your package button or call the 1-800 number, right? So if you don't know about this program, basically it is a program where at the end of it, or it's basically you opt into the capture page. They have their own pre-built capture pages, okay? So here's one of them right here. So you opt into the capture page, right? Name and email. You go to this page and you call the 1-800 number and you explain, or you leave a voicemail of which level you want to join at. Okay, so with this system, people are going to get started for $500, $1,500, $3,500, $7,500, and $11,000 after calling a 1-800 number, and they leave a voicemail, and they're going to say, hey, my name is Justin, and I would like to get started at the $3,500 level, and my number is 480-582-4372. and thank you so much, call me back anytime. You know, so then when you call these people back that left a voicemail, you're basically just going to collect the commission. And you're going to get 100% upfront commission with the Supreme Profit Systems. So it's a very powerful commission system because you're going to be earning high-ticket commissions up front, okay? So 100% direct commissions up front. So you're going to make the $500, $1,500, $3,500, $7,500, and $11,000 per sale. So just one of these, okay, just one $3,500 sale per year, or two $1,500 sales per year, can really help you out quite a bit, right? That can be like help fixing your car, right? So that you can get to work and not get in trouble, or that way, you know, a $7,500 sale once per even year can really go ahead and do something for you and help you out in a tough situation. So this is actually a really, really awesome program because by the end of it, people are just leaving a voicemail and they are getting started with you at whichever level that they decide to get started at, okay? So just wanted to adjust my lighting real quick. But anyways, let's move on down here. So there's testimonials for this right here, and I'm going to get into my bonuses that I offer to you, and it's going to be really awesome. So you're going to want to stick around and stick to the end for the bonuses. And so here's just some, you know, I'm just scrolling down the page for you. It's going to encourage you to call the 1-800 number, and I'm going to get a email and a text notification that you called the 1-800 number, and then I'll call you back. And then we scroll down, and there's more information. It's going to get into, we skip the scales in your favor. You don't have to sell, done for you system, no technical hassles, no ongoing fees, so there's no monthly fees, right? That's what's really cool about this system as well. And people come in at high levels, and then here's the products. So these are digital products that you can download, and you get more and more per product level. So the diamond level is the highest level. And so here is the different packages right here. So there is there's the bronze, the silver, the gold, the platinum, and the diamond in Supreme Profit Systems. And it's $500, $1,500, $3,500, $7,500, and $11,000 per level. And basically, that's what you're going to get paid when someone gets started in leverage in Supreme Profit Systems, okay? And then what the company's going to make is the admin fee. Okay, so the admin fee is $167 at the bronze level, silver level $247, $347, $447, $547. Okay, so that's what the company makes, so that way they can, sustain themselves and provide us this opportunity as affiliates and marketers and home business entrepreneurs. And so basically you're going to make the $500, $1,500, $3,500, $7,500, $11,000 per sale, and then your member is going to pay the admin fee. Now here's something that's really cool about the Supreme Profit Systems program. So it goes hand in hand with the admin fee, so please pay attention really quick. This is probably the most important thing about Supreme Profit Systems when you get started. So basically the 48-hour action taker bonus, you only get the action taker bonus by calling the success coach, and so make sure to call the 1-800 number, and make sure to go through my website as well. But you're going to be able to leave a voicemail and just let me know which level you want to get started at. And so here is how we recommend here is how we reward action takers like you. So here's what's really cool about this program. When you join at the $1,500 level, you get upgraded to the $3,500 level for free. That's part of the system, not part of me. That's not part of me trying to do something. That's just part of the system. So that's built into it. So people want to actually get started at higher levels than like the 500. So you can get started at the 500 and you get no upgrade bonus. You make $500 per sale when you get started at the 500. If you get started at the 1500, then you get upgraded to the 35. Okay, so you're going to be qualified to make $3,500 per sale. Okay, so that's what's really cool about this program. And then when you get started at 35, you get upgraded to the $7,500 level. When you get started at the $7,500 level, you get upgraded to the $11,000 level. Okay, and so what you might be asking yourself is, well, then why would I get started at the $11,000 level? Well, let me explain that to you real quick. And the program says right here that they will run an advertising campaign for you for $1,000, and you earn on every level and you get 100% of every sale. However, what I recommend on my team is actually that you just get started at the $7,500 level, and then you'll be upgraded to the $11,000, so you can make those commissions, and you're qualified on everything. And then you take that $3,500 difference, and rather than spending $3,500 and getting qualified when you can just get it for free, go ahead and spend that $3,500 on the proven traffic source that I will share with you on my team. And that's the same traffic source that we all buy from on my team. Okay? So that's what I recommend. So that way you have $3,500. Like, let's say you had $11,000 to get started. Get started at the $7,500 level, right? Send me $7,500. You're going to pay the $11,000 admin fee. Okay, so now here's what's important about the admin fee with the levels. When you get started at the silver level, you're going to pay the gold admin fee to be upgraded. Okay, so if you're going to pay the 500, you pay the 167. If you're going to pay the 1500 and you want to be upgraded to the next level for free, you pay the 347 admin fee. Okay, that's very important for you to understand. Okay, get started here, pay this admin fee. 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 So what I recommend is, again, people get started here, and so that way they have a $3,500 traffic budget, and they're qualified at this level as well. They're still going to pay the 547 admin fee, and so that's going to give you the most capability to be able to get sales and traffic and leads with this program. So that's what's really cool about this system, And let me go ahead and show you the bonuses that I actually offer on my team. So let's go back up to the top. And actually, before I get into the bonuses, here's the capture page right here. And then here's the registration page. So do not send traffic to this page or you'll get kicked out of the program. Only send traffic to either the capture page right here, which I don't recommend because on my team, I will actually build you this capture page right here. So I will build you a high converting funnel branded to you. So I can put a picture of you on here, and this will be your page, and then when people click on the video, it will have a pop-up and you'll be able to build your own email list, so that way you can control your business and actually make money in multiple programs, and I'll coach you on how to do affiliate marketing the right way rather than just sending traffic to the program and crossing your fingers. I actually coach my team every day on how to do affiliate marketing properly, build your list, how to build funnels. I build funnels for you. I coach you on what to say in your funnels and even set it all up for you so that way it's easy and you can have success very easily. And then I even set up your email marketing as well. But on my team, I do a lot for you. So this is the funnel that I build for you for Supreme Profit Systems. And when people opt in, they're going to go to this page right here. Now, when the timer runs out, it's going to have the buttons. Okay, so I want to show it to you with the buttons first. That way you can see the whole page. So there's a button right here, but that's not normally there. So let me show it to you in a second too. And then there's a button here. There's your information will be right here. Okay. And then there's bonuses. So I offer bonuses on my team. You don't have to. And then you can actually have your team come to me and I'll build their funnel for them and I can coach them as well. So, you know, you can still offer these bonuses, but on my team, I clone this funnel for you. I build it for you. Okay. And then I offer my personal coaching. You can call me anytime. And then my proven traffic source I give to you. And then I buy free clicks for you and I will send it to your custom funnel that I build for you. Okay. And also, depending on which level you join in SPS, I will buy the traffic accordingly. Okay, so if you buy at the $500 level, I won't buy you traffic. If you buy at the $1,500 level, I'll buy you traffic. And so I'll go ahead and order you traffic at more and more and more. And I'll also order it from the proven traffic source. Okay, so very, very powerful. And then the total value of the bonuses on my team is $21,241, and these upgrades expire in 48 hours after getting on my list. Anyways, let me show you this without the timer running out. So like when you actually visit it fresh, okay, it's going to look like this. Okay, so we got the timer right here, and then we scroll down, and this is it. Okay, real simple. Okay, so people are forced to start the video, and then what I do is I actually have created my own unique video, and I will create this for you. Okay, so I'll just pause it real quick so it doesn't have to take forever to load. But what's cool about this is I've actually taken the testimonials from SPS and put them in the beginning of this video, and then I have my bridge video explaining my story, and then I'll coach you on how to make a bridge video, and then I can even make a slideshow for you and put your story in the slideshow, so that way you just have to, you know, record the slides and read them. You know, makes it really easy. So I've made a really awesome funnel for this, so that way it's worth the high ticket price and working with me. And so thank you for watching this SPS review, Supreme Profit Systems review video for 2024. Go ahead and click the link down below right now and get started in Supreme Profit Systems. Go ahead and visit my website right here and click on the button and enter your name and email. and I'll see you on the inside. Thank you so much.